day, sir. This is my video report about AC motor and generator. So, AC motor and generator. So, after this PPT or lesson, I understand the fundamental principles and historical context of AC motor and generator, and I understand the construction and operational of AC motor and generator. So I start an alternator of AC generator is a machine that convert mechanical energy to electrical energy in the form of alternating current, so also known as AC. So alternator of AC generator are widely used in power generator plants and automobiles and various industrial application. So di lang sa so ang AC generator is mo convert niya og machine that convert niya og mechanical energy to electrical. So ang AC generator is kibali direct siya. Hindi ang AC man to. So electrical energy, no, so mechanical energy to electrical energy para ma-form siya og maka-create siya og AC, or also known as alternating current. So there are type of AC generator, and as you can see the picture, na duha ka picture, and this is the AC generator. The construction of alternator is there are construction process. So number one, rotor assembly. So the construction by stacking and securing limitation windings, the failed coils, and assembling the poles for silent pool rotors, or embedding winding in slots for cylindrical rotor, no. So ang rotor is mo ni ang mutuyok, no, sa tunga sa atong generator or motor. And the stator assembly, the stator core. So by the way, ang rotor is, ang keyword niya is rotate, no, rotor, rotate, and the stator is stating. So and stator assembly, and so the stator core is built by stacking and insulating. And number 4, diode, rectifier, and voltage regulator. And number 4, so number 3 ito ganina, and number 4, frame assembly. And there are type and operation of alternator. So alternator are primary classified into 2 types, no, na sila duha, and based on their construction and generation and generator. So number 1 is silent pool alternator. So silent pool alternator is there's rotor as projecting poles look like a wheel with spoke. So the silent pool is this so ang silent pole is rotor ay may nakaprotrude o nakaumbok na mga pole. So parang may pako o sanga, at ginagamit sa mabagal na ikot. So ang silent pole is hinay niya mo tuyok and gaya ng hydroelectric generators. And the number 2 is non-silent pole. Silent. Correct me if I'm wrong. So non-silent pole or cylindrical rotor alternator. This smooth cylindrical rotor used for high-speed operation. So ang non-silent pole is rotor ay makinis smooth, at ito po yung rotor na ginagamit sa napakabilis na ikot. So kusog rin siya matuyok gaya ng stream o turbo generators. And the silent pole ang pagkaiba nila is ang silent pole ay mahinang ikot lang, hindi kagaya ng non-silent pole is patulin siya. It's the fast and smooth and high speed. And there are based on number piece lagi. So there are two type of one. So ang first is single piece alternator and the second is three piece. So ang single piece is they produce single piece easy output. So isa ra direct ra litso. So positive or negative or live neutral single piece. While ang three piece is most widely used in power generator and distribution. So the three piece alternator is ito po yung tatlong wire sa which is the live or neutral and nakalimutan yung isa, yung tawag. So the three piece is motor easy motor. So there are uses three pieces of piece power supply to generate and rotating magnetic field and offering high efficiency, reliability and smooth power delivery. So there are primary use in industrial application. So conveyors pump. So mga makikita natin sa washing sa pang-washing ng motor ginagamit nila yung ito po yung ginagamit nila, and they come as induction, so asynchronous or synchronous type. And there are excitation so A is separately excited alternator, B is self-excited. So magkaiba sila. The separate is field winding powered by an alternate external DC source. So direct siya po yung battery nga na. And self-excited alternator uses its own generated power to supply field current. There are construction of easy motor. So stator core, and they have core made of limited steel sheet to reduce ED, current losses, hollow cylindrical, and windings, coils of insulated wire placed in the slots of the stator core, and the rotor is core. So there are core, a limited cylindrical structure mounted on the shaft, and siguro kino. So let's go to number 3. So sharp. So a metal rod on switch of rotor is mounted, and number 4, bearings. So alam naman ito. Alam na natin ito na ano yung bearings. So they support the rotor and allow it to rotate smoothly. So ito po yung nagdadala ng rotor natin para smooth po yung galaw niya at sa pag-ikot. And the 5 is end covers. So also known as end belts or end shields. Number 6, cooling system. Ensure the rotor motor operates within safe temperature limits. And number 7 is housing. So the outer casing that encloses and protect the internal components of the motor. And hope so this is the end of my discussion. I hope na you learn diba namoy na sabtan gamay, and thank you.